this is definitely my favorite part, and it's the name of the podcast is Integration Love Stories. So what we want to ask each and every guest is that, do you have a story, a specific project, or a specific knowledge about something that you made like the love for integration spark? So like, what is
It's
a
like
integration love story that you can tell us
Yeah.
about?
So my story, my love for integration started a long time ago in Italy. So where I approach, let's say, bespoke and the enterprise integration patterns for the first time. And let's say one of the things that I love, even if it's a little bit not the best, the most
romance.
yes, I no, I remember that I like working at that time with EDI X12 and EDIFACT. That's a really kind of strict business way to exchange, let's say, documents and so on. But is because it was challenging at that time. Also, there were no documentation, only little things. It was at the beginning in Microsoft. You get the challenge to get it done. I mean, and working and tested and roll out. So let's say that experience brought me close to the integration world, and also in that years, Bistrock was emerging. There were not a lot of technical people working on that technology, so it was also challenging and rewarding working on something that was niche. So there were only few people in the Nordics and few people in Italy working on this. So yeah, we were creating the community and.
It's nice to feel like you are in a community. Yeah.
Definitely.
But
But I mean, I must dig into this EDIFACT thing, because it's something that we talk a lot about here in because it's so interesting when you see it the first time. Speaking of black box, and I mean, when you see it the first time, it says, how can this even be a message? What is in there is just science. So no, not science. It's just different codes and things. But then all of a sudden something happens, and you feel like, now I can read this. I can read it like a book.
It's just like Matrix, right? Matrix, the movie. At the end of the day, you can read it through the code.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
All of a sudden you get like this error, and you see this EDIFACT message, and you see like, I know what this is.
Yes.
That's the issue.
There's a segment. So
you cannot have this this comma, or you cannot do this.
The problem is when you work for a long time on this kind of project or other project, and then you dream during the night some codes. That's a signal that you have to.
Start writing love letters in EDIFACT. That's not romantic, but yeah, I don't know.
Yes.